to Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. This is our first time staying here, so I'm going to give you a really quick tour of what we found. When you come in, there's this great little coffee, tea, drink area with some reusable cups. There is an ice bucket here, and it looks like this is a Cuisinart, some sort of little coffee maker. You walk around to a nice card table or area for you to sit. Behind it, this is a Murphy bed, so you can have a bed come down and sleep 2 more guests. On the side of the bed, you can see there's electrical outlets as well as USB ports, which is awesome for everybody's phones and technology. Come over to the dresser, flat screen TV, more of the electric outlets, more of the USB outlets, which is awesome. In here you have 3 drawers. There is a safe in this cabinet with pillows. So the Raspberry family were a little pillow crazy, and almost every hotel strikes out on pillows for us. I want to show you the pillows. We did not ask for extra pillows. This is what we walked into. So we are very, very happy about all these pillows. There could be a pillow fight tonight. I don't know. Love the Mickey behind us, Mickey, Minnie, and Donald, and the lights, super cool. Wanted to point out a really cute little chair. If you are a hidden Mickey finder, the pattern on this seat does what all of the All-Stars are, so it's movie, sports, blah, blah, blah. But these are little hidden Mickeys. So add those to your list if you're a hidden Mickey finder. Next to this bed, also more USB ports. We both have light controls if we need to change the lighting. There's some little cubbies here and a phone. And then we keep going. Cubby on the other side for the other person. This is nice because we have a teenage daughter, so when she's showering or in the bathroom, she wants to know she's private. We can completely close her off, which is awesome. A couple of hooks here for your bathing suits, your towels. We could have gotten an adjoining room if we needed one. We didn't this time. And then you come into the bathroom. Nice place for hangers, little closet. They've really thought this out. There's an ironing board if anyone still irons. I don't know. I don't. There is an iron. A hair dryer for my curly hair in humid Florida. Extra toiletry things. Really cool little makeup mirror that lights up. Nice vanity area, nice updated sink. And then behind Robert is a nice shower. And towels and everything else that you would normally need. If you look at the shower head, it's one of those waterfall shower heads, which are awesome. So overall, for a value resort, really love it. I mean, great place to bring the kids, and that way you can still enjoy Disney and have a good time here.